This is Jay, and today we are going to discuss about AWS User Interface. So I have just logged into AWS web page, and this is the console which you see in front. Now, options, I will show you a couple of options here. So let's say if I go to settings, you can choose a language of your preference, whichever language you like, and the visual mode. So visual mode I have kept it as a light. You can change it to dark, but I prefer a light, so I've kept it as it is. So now on the dashboard, one you can see the recently visited, right? So these are the services I had opened recently, and application you see cost usage. So this is the free cost I have remaining. The number of days remaining, all you can see here the solutions. These are like KBs, if you know, or the tutorials you can say, and the other services you can explore other things. Now one more thing I will show you is on the here on the top right side. If you see add widgets, so you can add some of your favorites, manage instance and all. So for this video I'm not going to modify it. Now here one more thing is use region. So for now I have kept it as a Mumbai because it's closest to me. But you need to, I mean, you should select the region whichever is closer to you. If you select the region which is far, you will notice a delay and the latency. That's what you will observe while browsing it. So Mumbai, even this region is not, I mean, not in the same region, but it is closer to me. So the same thing I would suggest you to do. Now here, if you see on the left side, top left side, here you see all the services. So in AWS, you can see all the services here in alphabetical order, or you can directly come here on the left side and you can check see compute. Here you will see the EC2 batch, and if you scroll down further you will see the network services like Route 53, Direct Connect and all. Now when you note if you notice the web page, your web page is not exactly same. So there may be option maybe here and there, but overall it will be the same because AWS they keeps changing this web view. So that's the reason you may not notice the exact same. Now, so let's say one more thing you can change. You can search the service directly here. Let's say if I want to search services, so if you don't want to go any of the option, then you can come down here and search the all the services. So let's say on the Route 53 I see total 3 services and the knowledge article. All these are knowledge article here. So the resources, right? And now I'll go back and I will open this service. So let's say if once I open this Route 53, you notice here the region has changed to global because this service is not tied to any specific region. This is like the service is for domain name resolution. So it's a like we type google.com, right? So what it does is it resolves the domain name to IP address. So now when wherever you are, so let's say your service might be in a one region. Let's say for me it's in a India region, but the user may be accessing that service from US or Europe. In that case, when user try to resolve the name, whichever the nearest gateway is there, it will provide the resolution, name to IP resolution. That is the reason this is global. But if you check other services, like let's say EC2, if I open this service EC2, you see here region has changed back to Mumbai. Now, when you want to use which services, it depends on which services you want to use. You should change the gateway. Now, let's say I'm in India, I need to check whatever the service I want to use, it is available on my region or not. If it is not available on my region, in that case, I might have to change the region, which is far. So that is one scenario. Now, one more thing is, yeah, here, if you come here in the profile, you will see all the different tab here. So you see the account and other tabs. So two things you need to monitor is account and billing and cost management. So let's go to billing and cost, and here you will see the different options like cost summary. So let's say a last month usage, this month cost up to date. So and on the right side, if you see the cost monitor, you can set up a monitor, and the recommended action you will see that add alternative billing contact and all, and the breakdown. So here on the left side you can see the breakdown you based on service group by, so whichever service which you have used, the cost will show as per that. So those are some of the options you can see here. Let me show you one more options. So here on the left side, billing preference. Here on the billing preference, you see the invoice delivery preference. So like PDF by email and that alert. So if you enable this alert, you will receive an email. So like let's say CloudWatch. This was disabled. I just enabled it, and AWS free tier. So let me enable this right now. I'll go to edit. Just select the receive. Now this email will be received on my root email. So now that I'll just enable it. Now you see the highlight here. I mean, already alert has been enabled. Now let's say once I exhaust my usage, so let's say whatever the free tier credits I have, so once I use all the credits, I will receive a notification, or when I'm close to it, I will receive a notification. Now if you don't know what is this in info, you can click on the info, then it will show you all the detail. Like in this tab, right, it says this alerts will be sent to you once you use all your credits or exit. So that's where, so this info tab is very helpful, you can use it. So friends, this is what I wanted to explain in this video. If this was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.